Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. This is Nick with Joseph Motors. I'm gonna put up a 2013 Ford F-250 Power Stroke diesel 2-wheel drive. The truck's only got 50,000 miles on it. Super nice truck. Like new tires. Inside's in really nice shape. Side impact airbags, head blocker airbags, no rips or tears in the seats or anything. Kind of a plain Jane, no power windows. Knapheide utility body. Boys put in a little bed liner there. Comes with some free leaves there. Diesel, fully serviced, one owner thing, Carfax. Looks like every unit out here. If you have any questions about this unit, please call me at 919-661-2886 or hit us up on the website at josephmotorsnc.com. Thank you and have a great day.